Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Walk to the Model S with phone key, key fob, or key card. The vehicle will unlock automatically for phone keys or after tapping the key card. Present the key card to the driver's B-pillar reader. Press the brake pedal firmly to power the vehicle and bring systems online. Wait for the instrument cluster and center display to initialize. Confirm 12V system shows nominal voltage on the touchscreen and that the main drive screen reports ready before selecting a gear. Adjust seat and mirrors if needed. With systems active, secure your seatbelt and perform a quick safety scan of the cabin and surroundings. Use the right stalk to select drive or reverse depending on your intended direction. A solid drive or reverse indicator appears on the screen. Check mirrors and camera feed before moving, and confirm sensors report no obstructions. Release the parking brake icon on the center display if it is engaged. Finally, apply gradual throttle and verify regenerative braking behavior at low speed. Begin driving smoothly. Place hands on the wheel and verify autopilot is off unless you intend to use it, and monitor visual alerts. Observe traffic rules and use 1-foot or 2-foot driving based on your preference since region can feel different. To park, stop fully, shift to park using the touchscreen or hold the stalk if available, then exit the car. To shut down, exit the car and lock with the key card or phone. If low 12V, follow Tesla 12V recovery steps before driving to avoid losing electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.